How to reorder previous meals on Grubhub. To reorder previous meals on Grubhub, you may follow up the simple steps. So first of all, launch over the Grubhub application on your device. Open it up and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to find the orders or order history section within the application. We have that option in the fourth. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, here it will show you your orders that you've already done. So what you may do is you may browse through your past orders within this section and choose the one that you want to reorder. You should be finding an option called reorder button or express reorder button if available, and that will add the items from that order to your current cart, and you can just go ahead and proceed to checkout. You can then customize the order by adding or removing the items, changing quantities and everything, and modify any options before proceeding to checkout. After that, you may just go ahead and review your order and you can tap on this proceed to checkout option. After that, go on with the payment process, and that way you can reorder the previous meals on your Grubhub. So that's it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.